Open any browser like Chrome. This is the URL. I will put the URL in the description box. Then click on download. Already I have downloaded the files here on desktop Bandicam. Right click on this file. Then click on extract here. This is the folder. Open the folder. Before install this software, if you have already installed any Bandicam, please uninstall that first, then install this. Right click on the setup file, then click on run as administrator. Click on OK. Next, agree, next, install. Please stay with me, it will take a few minutes. Remove the tick, click on finish. Now close, open and see the status of the application. It's showing unregistered. Click on about unregistered. Now we will activate or register the Bandicam software. Before that, disconnect the internet. Disconnect. Now go to the setup folder. Then open the crack folder. This is the key maker. Right click on key maker and click on run as administrator. Then give any email ID @gmail.com. Then click on registered application. Now Bandicam registered successfully. Click on OK. Now close this. Minimize. Now check.